Hey! Aloo harvesting, let's go. Suraj, aloo harvesting. So welcome back to another video. Alright. So today we are going to harvest our potatoes, which we planted in the back kitchen garden. So I will go and get the needful tools to harvest the potato. Let's go. We will need this. Okay. This is broken. I think this will be enough. And we'll get the small one also. Oh, this is also broken, guys. What am I gonna do now? Guys, mommy! Mommy is wearing the same cute dress as yesterday. Sanjay, we need to fix this.
We don't need that big.
Okay. So we'll use a smaller plow. This one is good. Mommy's dress says, I need you.
Come and help me, I need you.
Come and help me, I need you. Mommy is searching something.
This.
Nice. Okay.
You take this, give me this.
Okay. So this is gonna be my tool. And guys, this morning I made this small what is this? Gate for the bees to protect them from lizards.
Lizards can still enter from the right one, right?
No.
Yeah,
They cannot.
they can crawl like this.
No, they won't crawl like that. Lizards are dumb.
They won't crawl like this. They're wiser than you.
So this is the garden. So all the leaves are dried. So it's time to harvest them. The potatoes are under the ground. So let's dig them out.
Wonderful potatoes are under the ground.
Potato!
For you.
Guys, the first potatoes.
See,
Some are small and some are big. But all are potatoes.
I'm gonna date your father.
Yes. Guys, I can already see. Holy moly.
don't dig from the middle, okay?
Yes.
Side by side. Like this. All are small.
These are the small potatoes. Guys, these are earthworm. Earthworm.
Aloo and potato growing together.
Aloo and potato. Guys, how to differentiate between aloo and potato? Aloos are big and potatoes are small. What? Oh! I found aloo, guys.
I found only potatoes.
Growing with potatoes. Oh, guys.
What is that? Stop!
So if you find this, you have to kill it like this. Otherwise, you will have hagatsaba. What is hagatsaba in English?
Itching.
Itching. So you'll get itching bimari. These are so small. Ew. Baby potatoes, guys. Let's dig the red ones. Let's see how big are the red potatoes. Oh, same. The color is different. Otherwise, the potatoes looks the same.
Potato. White one is aloo.
Okay, white is aloo as per mommy, and red is potato, guys. I'm digging all the potatoes.
Lilliput.
So this aloo is the parent aloo, which died, and then smaller aloo
So
came
small.
out.
See? Just like keeping.
Grapes.
Another and baby.
Baby potatoes, guys.
This one is for Prashant, and this one is for Rahul.
Abhishek.
Oh, Abhishek.
Oh, grapes. Wow, so many. Hey, treasure hunt, guys. I found treasure. How did they just stay like on the ground? This one is even trying to grow. What? Sanjay found a worm.
This one is also for Rahul.
Yay.
Oh, Chochon.
Oh, that one's Chochon. The worm, wait, I think they are not able to understand the worm. It is round because it is staying around.
Chi.
Bia worm.
Jaldi kari uday. Finish. Tata, bye bye. Jaya. That's a lot.
this is the harvest of the potato, guys. Ah.
1 kg planting and 5 kg happening.
So that was the potato harvesting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Khatam.
Much later.
Guys, check this out. All chicken legs. Leg piece, guys, not leg. Leg piece. Bought by Sanjay because he got his PF. And Provident Fund is broken and now he's happy.
Mom is upset because I got meat.
Mom is upset because he never gives money to mom. And now he got his PF and he still is not giving any money.
All because of me.
It's all because of that guy.
Behind the parda.
Behind the parda, guys. Perry. Perry Mo. Behind the curtain, now in front of the curtain.
Look at this new.
Guys. So our plan is to make like a KFC. So we'll boil it a little bit first.
No
What
KFC.
KFC?
Who said KFC? Who ever?
I just assumed. No, I thought because like you bought this one also flour.
Just because we bought this, we're not making KFC.
So what's the plan?
Just simply boil it
Bus.
until the water is dry.
So you're only gonna boil it, and that's it. Are you kidding me?
You know.
So I thought it was a KFC style, but it's not. It's actually boiled and
If we want,
idea of Perry Mo, I guess.
Not mine. It's Sanjay.
Then whose idea? Sanjay. Okay.
if we wanted KFC style, we would have bought KFC.
So he's adding chili. Oh my goodness, this is too much chili. And he can't even eat like spicy food. And, Jay, are you kidding me? For me, it's fine because I can handle as much chili as you give me. It's okay for me. But
Mom.
you should have thought of yourself, bro. Half an hour later, Sanjay is putting pyaj to the chicken leg,
Onions.
to the leg piece, onions. I don't know how it looks, but it smells good. Sanjay is the chef today.
I know how to destroy chicken.
Destroyed in seconds. So guys, it's been like an hour, I guess,
And it's itchy.
and I think it's done.
It's done. It's done.
So
Now we
Sanjay
can.
wants to eat like this, but I have another plan, guys. I will take that out. I will roll it in atta, flour.
No, egg first.
Where's egg? There's no egg.
Just egg.
No,
Just egg.
no,
Open the fridge.
no, no egg. Oh, there's egg. So we'll roll it in egg, and then we'll deep fry it in this oil. Nice. So this is the flour. Flour. We will need some atta. So this is atta, guys. This is not maida. Keep it here.
Enough.
Crack open the egg. Nice. So guys, this is gonna be a new recipe because we fried fish in this in this oil, and now we're gonna fry chicken in it. And if you don't know about this, what is this? Khang in Manipuri. This is 31 years old. So call him elder brother Khang.
This is
Tamo
mine.
Khang. This is mine.
Mine.
Oh, this is the biggest one. This is mine. This is my leg piece. This is Suraj's leg piece. Sanjay's leg piece.
your head with chicken's leg.
Oh, this chicken leg piece is my leg piece.
This is my leg. What the?
How are you gonna do it?
Roll it. Yeah, that's more than enough. Now, yeah, roll it there. Nice. Nice. Let's dip it.
Alright, so moment of truth.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna explode. Oh,
Please
nice.
don't explode.
Next.
Ouch. It's exploding.
Ouch.
Oh, not bad. Bring on plate. So guys, we'll do mukbang, so just stay tuned.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it looks yummy,
Look
yummy.
at the oil.
Yeah, throw it in, it's okay.
It's gonna spray, splash.
Wow!
Now the last one.
Let me flip it for you. Guys, Mo Peri Mo has a different style of eating chicken. He is like destroying it and put it in the salad.
So nice.
Chicken salad, guys. Shout out to Perry Mo. Hey. And this is my plate. This is yongchak singju. This is fried and this is boiled. Soft meat. With yongchak singju kopi. KFC kacha. Gajab.
Good job. Jeffrey this bro.
Check this out.
So tender, so good.
This is too good, guys. So soft. Tender meat. I'm loving it. Good soup. He's licking the spoon. Good, right?
Juicy meat.
Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If your mouth is watering, I'm sorry, you can make it for yourself.
Guys, I can't finish.
Contact Perimo for the location.
This is good. So, I'll catch you up in another video. Till then, take care, guys.
बाथरूम खाना भनेको मान्छे